Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Selenium Python. First, make sure you have Python and pip installed on your system. Then, open your terminal or command prompt and simply type pip install Selenium. This command will download and install the necessary Selenium library files. To verify it's ready, open a Python interpreter and try to import Selenium. If no errors appear, you're all set for the next step. Next, you'll need a WebDriver, which acts as a bridge between your script and the browser. Download the correct driver for your browser, like Chrome driver for Chrome or Gecko driver for Firefox. You can place this executable file in a directory that's already in your system's path, or you can provide the full path to the driver when you initialize your browser in the script. This step is crucial for Selenium to control the browser. Now let's write a simple script. Start by importing WebDriver from Selenium. Then initialize your browser like driver equals WebDriver. Chrome, use driver, get to open a web page, for instance, driver, get https://www, example, com. After performing your actions, it's good practice to close the browser window using driver. Quit. This ensures all resources are properly released and your script runs cleanly. Finally, to interact with a web page, you need to locate its elements. Selenium offers several methods, such as finding elements by ID, name, class name, or XPath. Once an element is found using driver, find element by ID. For example, you can perform actions like click or send keys to input text. For robust scripts, consider using explicit waits to ensure elements are fully loaded before attempting to interact with them, preventing common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.